Good morning, class.
Morning, sir. Good morning, sir.
My name is Shan Shukla, All India rank 31, recommended from 19 SSB Board Allahabad. I take your personality development classes from 9 to 10. Today we'll be performing a group discussion. GD is the first task of your GTO. You will have to perform 2 group discussion. दो GD आपको perform करनी है. For the first GD you will be given 2 topics. You have to choose one topic among those 2 topics and you have to perform a GD. And for the second GD you will not be given any topic. Any choice of topics, the GT will give you one topic and आपको उसी पे अपना group discussion करना होगा. Each topic will have 3 subleads. 3 sublead आपके topic में रहेंगी and you have to choose one sublead and last तक आपको अपने point को make out करना है that why your choice is better than the rest too. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
The body posture of the GD will be simple. Your feet will be at the shoulder level, width, and your hand will be resting at your laps. The angle between your shin bone and your thigh bone will be 90 degree. Your spine will be straight, erect, and the only movement will be of your head. You have to maintain the eye contact with the group members. Do not look at the SSR. SSR को आपको नहीं देखना है, सिर्फ और सिर्फ अपने ग्रुप वालों के साथ आपको आई कॉन्टैक्ट प्रॉपर मेंटेन रखना है. Try to use the minimum hand gesture, but if you want to emphasize on certain words, like India should come together, we should move forward, you can make certain kinds of hand gesture to emphasize on any certain word that you want. But try to use it as less as possible because it shows that your subconscious mind is somewhere nervous and you are stressed and you are not finding words. So make your vocabs really strong that you need not to use your hand gestures. Clear?
Yes.
Today I'll be giving you 2 topics. You will have to choose one topic, decide among yourself by discussion which topic do you want to choose, and then after that we'll do a discussion on that topic. Clear?
Yes.
How can corruption be checked? By use of digital mediums, strengthening laws, or adding more authorities. I'm repeating the topic. How can corruption be checked? By use of digital mediums, strengthening laws, or adding more authorities. And second topic is, who is getting maximum benefit of GST? Who is getting maximum benefit of GST? First, common people. Second, traders. And third is business giants. Is the topic clear to you?
Yes, sir.
So decide among yourself which topic do you want to choose for discussion.
I think we should go for the first topic, which is corruption.
I also agree with you.
Yes, gentlemen, because it's just like a social topic and which is
And we
almost
have more
every people know about
information
it, so I
about
think we should go with the first topic.
Right, most of us agree with first topic.
Yes.
So we
Okay.
will go with the topic first.
So you have chosen the first topic?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'm repeating the topic. How can corruption be checked? First, by use of digital mediums. Second, strengthening laws. And third is by adding more authorities. Is the topic clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'll give you 2 minutes to think about it, to brainstorm your ideas, and then we'll start the discussion. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay, start your GD.
So, gentlemen, in my opinion, applying digital medium is the best way because we have seen in most of the cities, the government is practicing CCTV cameras on the chaurahas and other roads, and that will lead to the accidents minimize. Because we have seen the accidents are many times practiced deliberately, but by using CCTV cameras, they were checked and definitely minimized.
Yes, I do agree with you that digital media can prevent the corruption, but in my opinion, using strengthening laws is a major factor which can stop the corruption because
I agree with the testimony.
there is a lack of political will or a proper execution of law which will lead to stop the corruption or decrease the
I would
corruption.
like to add a point on just number 21. I think improving the authorities and adding more authorities would be very fine because the law's implementation is the last thing that can government do, and adding authorities empowers the law and makes the people to give more efforts to reduce the corruption. I think it also includes digitalizing and using the efforts necessary.
Yeah, I do agree with you because implementation of laws is more important. We have seen a lot of laws that were given by our constitution, but we are not performing implemented properly.
Law will be the more applicable as we see that if the laws will be strictened against the culprits who are the corrupted, then most probably they will will be threatened by the
I think
government.
by adding
Government
dedicated
should get the-
authorities the function of those authority would be checking corruption and also using the digital platform as well. So by adding authority, we can complete all the three factors because by these authorities can go digitally, make sure that the laws are implemented because laws have been made many times for a long time. But the problem is that the implementation is not really good, and for that reason we need a dedicated
Exactly,
authority.
I like to add a point on just number 85. We have already seen that Lokpal bill has been passed and Lokayukt who have been appointed in the states and center. But the thing is, the laws were made previously, but there was no implementation or execution. But with the Lokpals, we are seeing the declaration in the corruptions.
Yes, gentlemen, I would like to add one more point because in India there is a rule that a man cannot stare a gun more than 14 seconds. Otherwise, he can be jailed for 3 months. But still, they are not implemented. But by using digital platforms, the awareness can be created, and that definitely these laws can be implemented, and definitely it will reduce the.
Yes, I do
corruption.
agree with you, and I would like to give one more example that who are getting the benefit by the corruption. That are major political parties or leaders, and that's why they are not making strict laws because it will harm them. So, in my opinion, making strict laws and their execution will
Yes, I
definitely
agree
lead
with
to stop
chest
the
number
corruption.
21, but just by making laws, we are not ensuring that the corruption is stopped because the police also works under those strong political parties only, and maybe they give the orders that we'll make the laws, but it is up to you to implement them. So, not making the laws properly and not implementing them is a
Yes, gentlemen, I would like to add one more point because implementation is not happening due to the lack of awareness, and awareness can be created by using digital platforms, digital media, and also by the such as most of the students get awareness by news channels and social media.
I think I would like to add a point on just number 85. As she said that the implementation of the law is not going properly. I think now the society is not relying on political parties. It's already losing its hope on the political parties. Now the law is made and the execution is proper, people are more for sure that the corruption is losing.
Yes, I agree with you. Just number 40 say that most of the people are didn't have a belief on the this time on the political beliefs. So that we should go with the social the digitalization with also. It can improve the corruption. The culprits of the culprits who are corrupted, they can make sure they can be threatened by that somehow there will be the vision on them.
We have also seen that not only political parties but some of the big police officers have also been indulged in corruption. So by making a separate authority which will have more senior officers and more responsible officers will ensure that not only these political parties but also the police officers and different kind of authorities as well are being checked.
Yes, I do agree with you. As already mentioned that Lokpal will have been passed. But the laws which have been strict for such activities such as police officer or any political party, so they amend the act for their own will. So I think making strict laws has been a major role changer in this.
Yes, gentlemen, I would like to add one more point because a lot of cases happened where many of the officials were captured by taking bribery. But these can be checked by using digital platforms because when the personnel is taking bribery, they can be caught red-handed by using
I would
digital.
like to add a point on just number 88. I think if he is given an example of doing the digital media and performing and video reporting for that, I think that also needs an authority, and the implementation of those authority and the legalization and the action should be increased, can be increased only by adding another authorities. As test number 21 also said that we have many laws and laws have been made and they are amended by political parties. But if there are no execution on the ground level, we cannot ensure corruption.
Yeah, I want to specify the point of just now from 43 that if you see recently the government has planted the CCTV cameras in the board examination. But if you see now the cheating is also going on because I think that there is something weakness in the officials so that according to me strict laws should be implemented so that the authorities can take the good
Yes,
decisions.
number 72, I agree with you because in this paper we have seen our government has implemented CCTV cameras from
I think you should give test number 14.
Okay, just
I agree with question number 72 that if we will have that strict laws, so laws should be also be strengthened so that in future no that Bhrashtachari should be there in our country. As we have seen many cases happening around in India, like you can see Nirbhaya case that it go around 8 years. So they also those criminals who are also having giving bribe to all the high court people and the policemen. So I think that if we stick to the laws and laws can be restricted only by strengthening them.
Yes, I would like to add one more point that whenever election season comes, political parties offer many things to the people, but when they win and go to the power, they use government fund for their own. So there is a need of strict laws for this, so that they cannot offer such. And if they offer, so they should need proper
Yes,
implementation.
gentlemen, I partially
get benefited.
Yes, just number 21, I partially agree with you. But we have seen still more than 3 lakhs of cases are still pending in our country, and that is due to lack of implementation, not lack of strict laws. So by using digital media and digital platforms, these issues can be resolved, because we have seen recently our government has made a lot of virtual meetings with another and resolve a lot of matters. And so by using digital media, it will save time, and also it will let a better
Okay, stop your group discussion. Just number 14. You didn't participate in the start, but later on you participated. But उसके बाद से your participation was ineffective. You need to work on your energy level, the power of expression, the confidence level, and hand gestures. ठीक? Just number 21. You have a good participation, but your eye contact is not with the group. While you are remembering stuff, आप नीचे देखते हैं, फिर side wide देखने लगते हैं. ठीक है? So during participation, during GD, try to maintain proper eye contact with everyone, lest your power of expression is good. ठीक है? Just number 28. You participated late, and इस बार participation काफ़ी कम भी था. You participation at 3 minutes 30 seconds. You need to increase the frequency of your participation and participation as soon as possible. ठीक? Initiate. You are stammering and your eye contact is also breaking with the group. Just number 43. Your communication has improved a lot. Influencing ability is good. You need to work on your body posture a bit. Points are really good. Group dynamics is also good. You gave chance to just number 14 who was not able to speak at the first. So this shows a good group dynamics. Overall performance was good. You need to work on your body language only and a little bit of energy level, because this is a room. यहाँ voice echo कर रही है. But during GTO, your GT will be connected in the ground. So there your voice energy level will be considered a little bit low. So they will have to speak a lot. Just number 72. Only one time you participated. The participation was late. It was at 5 minutes 20 seconds. This was a really late participation. So participate soon. You need to work on your accent and power of expression. Just number 85. Participation and confidence level is good. You need to work on your face expression. Your face is frown when you speak. So focus on the face expressions. Just number 88. Initiation points are really good. Participation is good. Influencing ability is good. Your overall involvement is good. Now you need to work on the second stage, that is the cohesiveness, the group cooperation.
Okay, sir.
ठीक है? Any other doubts?
No, sir.
Okay, let's end the GD. Next group will be invited.
क्या आपने भी देखा है भारतीय सेना में जाने का सपना? मेजर कलसी क्लासेस करेगा आपके ऐसे हर सपने को साकार। जुड़िए हमारे ऑफलाइन क्लासरूम प्रोग्राम के साथ, जहां आपको मिलेगा एक्सपर्ट फैकल्टी टीम का गाइडेंस, बेस्ट डिफेंस ओरिएंटेड बुक्स, बेहतरीन फिजिकल ट्रेनिंग, डाउट काउंटर फैसिलिटीज, स्पेशल करंट अफेयर की क्लासेस और मंथली यूनिट टेस्ट। आज ही लीजिए डायरेक्ट एडमिशन और पाएं 2000 का कैशबैक। अधिक जानकारी के लिए हमें कॉल करें 9696330033 पर और विजिट करें www.majorkalsiclasses.com पर। जय हिंद।